and welcome to the kitchen. I'm Juliet.
I'm Delilah.
What are we going to be making today, Delilah?
UBERCORN biscuits.
Yes, but UBERCORN biscuits with a funky twist.
What twist?
You have to wait and see. So we're going to make some biscuits with some basic vanilla cookie sugar dough.
Yeah.
So we're going to start by rolling it out. So you know how to roll it out, don't you,
Roll
Delilah?
it out?
You roll it out. And we want it to be fairly thin because for these special UBERCORN biscuits, we're going to be using 3 thin biscuits. So once you've got your dough ready, you need to cut around the UBERCORN shape. So we're going to place that onto the dough and just using, we've got a little plastic knife here. So just take the knife and just very carefully go around the shape. So let's have a look. So that should give us a nice UBERCORN shape. Yes, well done, Delilah, that looks brilliant. Okay, so we've got a few shapes here. You can re-roll this, so when you're making these, you can just do them in batches and just make as many as you can. So you know we've got the UBERCORN biscuits with a funky twist. So the funky twist is going to require that we cut a hole in the middle of one of the biscuits. So you get 3 cookies that will be joined together to make one. So if you can cut a hole, I'll show you one and then you can do another. So literally just punch out a hole like that. Brilliant. So now we are going to bake these in the oven. They're fairly thin, so we'll probably only bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they're just golden brown and springy to touch on 180 degrees. So we'll pop those in and then we'll come back when they've baked. So these are now completely cool, Delilah. So what we need to do first of all is create the UBERCORN face. So we're going to just use royal icing with all the different colours that we need to pipe the details on. So shall I show you how to do it?
Yeah.
So we're going to do the outline of UBERCORN's face first. So just squeeze the icing and it comes out quite slowly and just go all the way around the edge of the ear. So that's your outline of UBERCORN's face. Would you like to do one?
Yeah.
There we go. Brilliant. There we go. So that's all around the edge of that one. So now I've got these pieces of paper as well. Did you notice that? They're all wet. When you're using royal icing, it's a good idea to put something wet over the end of the bags or the nozzles because they dry out really quickly. So now we're just going to get some of the runny icing. And this is exactly the same, but it's got a little bit of water in it to make it a bit more liquid. What we're going to do is fill in the cookie.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to squeeze it again. I'm just going to squeeze it almost touching the edge of the line, but not quite. So you can see how I'm squeezing it up against the line. So now you can see that's going to be the UBERCORN face. And then we're going to leave them to dry. It's a good idea to leave them to dry for a couple of hours before we go over and do the rest of the detail.
Okay, they're set now.
Yep, they're all set. So now we're going to finish doing his face. So we're going to carry on with our royal icing. So what we're going to do is his horn first. So I've got some yellow icing, and what we're going to do is just pipe his horn. So just squeeze the bag, and then I'm going to do a line across there and just do a few kind of diagonal lines so it looks like the UBERCORN horn. Do you want to have a go, Delilah?
Yeah.
There we go. Brilliant, well done, Delilah. Fantastic. So now we can do his purple mane. Do a little outline by his horn and then just go all the way around the edge and do his flicky mane like that. So for the filling in, it's the same as we did for the face. So you just need to go in there and then you lift up your piping bag and then just go in there. Just try not to touch the edge and then fill it in. And then you can just lift up. So you can do that one and I'll do the outlines. Okay, Delilah, so now we're going to do another bit. So can I have a look at your t-shirt? So he's got a little mask, hasn't he? So we'll do the mask. So I've got a little bit of a lighter purple icing and I'm just going to draw on where he's got his mask. So just go across there and then up like that. Do you want to do one?
Yeah.
There we go. Lovely stuff. And then he's got a little pink side bit by the side of his mask. So I've got a pink icing. I mean, we've got all the colours here, haven't we? And I'm just going to go like this and just do a little pink bit there to join him up to his hair. So you can do these too. Fantastic. Okay, and then let's have another look at UBERCORN. So he's got some ears and he's got a little nose, hasn't he? So for his ears, we just fill in a little bit of the lighter purple, just kind of draw it in like that. And then where his nose is, you can just do 1, 2. Do you want to have a go, Delilah?
Yeah.
There you go. For his eyes, we're just going to use a little bit of this because we only need a tiny bit of black.
Yeah.
And he's got some eyebrows too. So all we need to do for the eyebrows, just make a little sausage, pop one on there, and then I'm going to do another sausage. And then for his eyes, he just needs 2 little circles. So I'm going to take a little bit of black, so just break it in 2 pieces, make 2 little circles, and then I'm just going to take my finger and just splat it down. So I've got a flat ball like that, and then there. So do you want to do the same on yours, so you can make your sausagey eyebrows and your little circles for your eyes? So we're going to do his little mouth now. So for that, we just need to come quite close to Cookie and just go whip. And then over here, so just squeeze a little bit going like that. Nice smile. So do you want to add a smile to your ones? That's it. Brilliant. Fantastic. And then the last bit of detail. So for his eyes, we want to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm just going to take my piping bag and just do a small dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So he looks like he's got a nice sparkly eye. Once you have decorated your UBERCORNs, we need to leave them to dry really for a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours, or you can even leave them overnight. And then we will come back and finishing them off, and then you are going to see why they have got their hole. Okay, so we're nearly there. Our UBERCORNs have been drying. So now it is time to tell you and show you why they had a hole in the middle. We're going to stick them together because we're going to create a surprise inside. So we're going to take a couple of the other blank cookies from the other batch. So these are just the UBERCORN shape. So there's one for you and one for me. So with the UBERCORNs with the hole cut out, is turn them over, and we're going to take some royal icing, and we're just going to go all the way just around the edge, but it doesn't need to be right up to the edge because we're just making enough to stick the biscuits together. So just like that. So if you want to do your one, that's brilliant. So we're just going to turn it over and pop it onto the base cookie. You can fill your cookies with any kind of treat or sprinkle that you like. So we've got these really cool star ones, and just pop them into the middle of the cookie there. So I think that's enough in mine. You got enough in yours?
Yeah.
We're going to get our icing again and just do the same thing. So just around the edge, not too much, just kind of a bit of a rough line. We're going to take our UBERCORN that we iced earlier and just carefully pop him on top to create our kind of sandwiched biscuit. Just line them up. And then we're going to leave those to dry. I mean, ideally you'd want to do that overnight. Here we go, Delilah. Oh, it was worth the wait. They're all done. Look at these. What do you think?
Good.
Listen to that. They're super fun, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well, check this out. Ready?
Whoa.
Oh, yummy. Do you want to try some?
Yeah.
Delicious. Mmm. Oh, they're so good, aren't they? I hope you all enjoyed that. For more videos, check out the BBC Good Food YouTube channel. Bye!